Hello everyone, so a couple of months ago I went on AliExpress to try and find the cheapest knockoff Disney merch that I could, and it's finally all arrived. So let's look at what I got. I don't even know how many packages there are here, and honestly I don't remember what's in most of them, but let's just take a look. The first package I'm going to open is this one. I thought why not start small, so let's see what's in this one. Oh! Okay, this is a pin that I absolutely fell in love with and just had to buy. Honestly, I'm very surprised with how well it's turned out. So this is what it looks like. It's just a little Polaroid camera with a picture of the castle. I actually love it so much. There's like one or two small defects, but I'm pretty happy with this one. Alright, this is the next package I'm going to open. It says it has a t-shirt, so we'll see which one this is. Okay, so this one isn't actually Disney merch, but it fits my aesthetic. So, it smells really odd, but I'm sure it'll be fine after I wash it. This one says t-shirt as well, so let's see what kind this one is. Oh. Ooh, this one smells worse. It smells like burnt things, but also chemicals at the same. It's really weird. Anyway, this one says best day ever. It's absolutely huge, actually. I'm sure I could fix this somehow, but I have seen this shirt before on a small shop's website, and I think if you were gonna get this design, it's definitely important to look at small shops and the people who actually own these designs rather than cheap knockoff places. I just got it here because I wanted to see how dodgy it would be. And the print sticking on pretty well. The only thing is the smell. It's pretty bad. Alright, the next one I'm gonna open is this one. It's in a little bubble wrap ball, so we'll see which one this one is. So this is a little pair of floral mouse ears. Honestly, the headband is really flimsy and the ears are super thin, but I mean, it looks exactly like the picture. I think this was about $5, so I think you're really getting what you pay for here. Not in a bad way, like, it looks like it's supposed to. Open this one next. This says headband, so it could be another pair of mouse ears. I got different pairs of mouse ears from different stores just to see what different stores did. So let's see what this one is. Ooh. I don't know if you ever had, like, at your grandparents' house or something, like steel wool, but this looks like it's made out of steel wool. It's not awful, but it definitely looks like it costs $1, which is what I got it for, to be fair, but this is not what I was expecting. I mean, the ear keeps falling over, so things are great. Next thing I'm going to open is another pin. Okay, I saw this one and I absolutely had to get it because Alice in Wonderland was one of my favorite movies as a kid. It looks pretty much exactly how it did online, so I'm happy with that. So the pin is Alice sitting in a teacup, and I think it's really cute. The next one is another small package. It's probably another pin. I love pins. I have a pin board and a pin collection, so I had to get a few knockoff Disney pins. Oh. Okay, this one was the most expensive Disney pin I got, and it is, oh, it's so perfect. I'm so glad this one worked out. Oh, I didn't want this one to screw up because it was so pretty. This was $4.11. It's the castle in a snow globe, and I think it's absolutely the cutest thing that ever happened, and it is going straight on my pin board. I'm so glad that this one doesn't have any mistakes or anything. I'm very happy with this. I'm going to open this one next. I'm not sure what this is. It feels squishy, and it says clothing, so it could be another t-shirt. I'm not sure. So, these are Cinderella leggings. They don't smell that bad, thank goodness. I'll have to try them on, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, I'm filming this a couple of days later because I absolutely hated the first footage I took, but these leggings are not my favourite things in the world. They're pretty baggy, and honestly, they look kind of cheap, but I think you could get away with it. Okay, so all of these items I had already poked a hole in to make sure they were there back when they arrived. And this one has just arrived recently, so I know what it is, and it is my favorite thing that came. I really hope it worked out right. Oh, I'm so glad. This is so cute. It's little dancing Groot, and it says, "Save the galaxy, plant a tree." And, oh, I am so happy this one worked out. This is definitely the favorite thing that I ordered, and I was really hoping that it would be great, and it is. I cannot wait for summer so I can wear this. I'm gonna open another small package. I think it's another pin. I love pins, so I got a lot. Not sure which one this is, so I'll just open it and see. So this pin is Belle and the Beast dancing. I think it's super cute. It's got a tiny little defect in it, and it definitely looks like it's been handmade, but overall it looks exactly like it was supposed to, so I'm not too mad about this one. The next one I'm opening is another t-shirt. I think this one has the princesses on it, if I can remember, but I'll open it and see. Ooh. Okay, this one smells a little kind of like burnt bananas. I'm not sure. The material feels really weird, kind of like half swimsuit material almost, but this is what's on the front. The print feels really good. Like, yeah, I have no issue with this t-shirt really. Apart from the really weird fabric, it's exactly how it was supposed to be. I think these are more ears by the feel of it, so we'll see how this place did. This is so much better than I was expecting. Like, different to the other ones, it actually has sequins down the headband, which is pretty much like the Disney ears. They look pretty legit. The ears are a bit flimsier than actual Disney ones, but you could definitely get away with it. I also got some classic black and red ones from the same place just to see how they were. This ear is a little bit loose and needs a bit of re-gluing, but apart from that, they both look pretty much just like Disney ears. They did a pretty good job replicating them. This is the next one I'm going to open. Not sure what this... Oh! Okay. I got this one because I thought I should put like more than just one Marvel thing in there. This is a little necklace. Yeah, it leaves the metal smell on your hands, which, oh, that's lovely. I don't know if you could see, but it says, "Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor." It looks pretty much exactly like it did online. I'm not really mad about it. Alright, this is the next one. It is wrapped up in a little round thing, so I can't actually see what it is. Oh, cute. Alright, I got another Alice pin, and this one looks so adorable online. Oh, it's even got a little hangy bit. Okay, I love this. Granted, it's kind of hanging the wrong way, but what can you do? I might have to get out a pair of pliers and fix that. She looks a little bit demented, but overall it's a super cute pin. Besides, like, this being backwards, it looks pretty good. This one, they looked super cute online, and I had seen similar things in shops before, and I wanted to see how they matched up because the ones I've seen in shops are made of hard material, and I didn't know what these would be made of. Okay, so first I want to say they smell really bad. Pretty cheap quality, even though these were the most expensive ears I bought. So overall, not a great purchase. So I got these from the same shop, and I thought they might be a little bit different, but they're really not. They're made out of the same foam felt stuff, and they just have like cardboard stuck on the front, so they're not really great. They look pretty cute, but they're not the best. I'm going to open this one. On the outside it says it's fashion jewellery, so could be anything. Okay, I got this badge because Peter Pan was one of my favorite movies as a kid. So it says, "Second star to the right and straight on till morning." It's pretty good quality, except for the back is not straight, and so if I was to pin it straight on me, it would be sideways. But apart from that, I really like it, and it's going to look really nice on my pin board. These are the last set of badges that I got, and based on what I've already opened, these ones were about 70 cents each, free shipping. Yeah. Which is pretty insane. I ordered them because they were so cheap and I wanted to see how they'd look. They're a whole lot bigger than I expected, but they look exactly like they were supposed to. I was expecting for 71 cents each that they would be really bad. I mean, they are a little bit scratched up, so there are a few dents and scratches on the front, but you can't see it from a distance, so it's not too bad. Just realized in the packet of that one it says remove protective film, but I think I'm inept or something because I just cannot get it up or even like find the edge of it. So I'm gonna work hard on that, but I may just have to leave it as it is. This is my last package. It's a couple more ears, and I really hope they're not like those steel wool pair, but really nice. So I have to say, overall I'm pretty impressed with them. Apart from being able to see the glue in some areas on some of them, they are all pretty amazing. They even have the sides like the other pair. They look a lot like the ones from Disneyland, apart from the ears being a bit more flimsy, but they're all pretty nice. I would honestly probably wear these because they're not that bad. I have sequins literally all over my bed. I think one of them has a thread loose. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and check out my Instagram. Link will be in the description down below.